Hello, Maldives. It's another beautiful sunset here at the Royal Island Resort, Maldives. So once again, welcome everyone to all my subscribers. Thank you for watching, and for those who didn't subscribe yet to my channel, please subscribe now. And currently I am at the Royal Island Resort, Maldives, watching the beautiful sunset. This is one of a kind scenery in this resort, wherein you can have the full scenery of the sunset, and lots of guests who are enjoying this scenery. If you walk farther on that direction, you'll be able to see lots of guests who are walking around and sitting in their loungers while watching the beautiful sunset. And some of them are just sitting down in the jetty area, and others are swimming too and enjoying the beautiful day, because indeed it is a beautiful scenery, indeed a beautiful attraction here at the Royal Island Resort, Maldives. By just watching the sunset every afternoon, wow, it will really gives you more energy, more glow and vibrant while you are having your vacation here at Royal Island Resort, Maldives. This is a perfect place for family, friends, celebrating special occasions. This is a very perfect place for everyone, and there are lots of activities such as diving, snorkeling, and don't forget the sumptuous food are being served in the restaurant. Rabundi restaurant offers a la carte service. Maakana restaurants offers international buffet. Serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yeah, so once again, the sunset is about to set now. Look at that, how beautiful it is. So come and visit at Royal Island Resort, Maldives. It was indeed a very beautiful place, especially watching the sunsets every afternoon. Wow, it's really an amazing with the shorelines, with the waves rushing into the shore. It's amazing, it's perfect, and you will enjoy the swimming It was indeed a paradise on earth, should I say. So here we go again for the sunset. So nice, a very relaxing view. Imagine if you will be here doing your vacation. It was amazing. It was very a promise of a total relaxation while enjoying the activities in this resort. We also offer water sports, dive center, restaurants, and in the water sport there are lots of water sports activities. So it's really a total and enjoyable indeed. Only here at the Royal Island Resort, Maldives. Well, the sunset now is setting down a bit. Yeah. And there's so much people now around waiting for the sunset and enjoying at the same time. So wonderful. It's a beautiful place. Look at the rushing of the shore, the water. Wow, it's totally amazing. It's once in a lifetime memory to witness this wonderful scenery here at Royal Island Resort and Spa, Maldives. So book now and visit Royal Island Resort and Spa, Maldives, here in Indian Ocean. A wonderful place, a beautiful place. So to all my subscribers, thank you very much for watching for this video, and please don't forget to like, and for those who didn't subscribe yet, please like and subscribe to Isla di Paraíso. Thank you very much for watching, and Yahoo! Once again, this is Isla di Paraíso here at the Royal Island Resort and Spa, Maldives. Sunset view. So once again, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Yahoo!